that those bugs, if that fix is already available in later releases, maybe 228 or 230, we can close those bugs, because those bugs anyway don't get any upgrade. So the user has only choice to upgrade to the next release. And before marking for obsolete, it's always better to move that bug to need info, ask user if he is facing that problem still, or if he has upgraded and he is not facing that problem. Many times it's there, like from a developer's point of view, they will feel okay, that bug has been fixed, but if user has upgraded it to next version, maybe 228 or 230, and he is still facing that, it's good to keep that bug open, to keep again ask for more information so that those bugs can be acted upon. This is it for this diagram. This was just more information about the state of the bugs. So as already I explained, like unconfirmed, new, when the state will be there. About the resolution part, the bugs which are not like GNOME related will be moved to not GNOME, and there will be some comments which are like not relevant to any bug. So those bugs will be closed as a not bug. And I was saying about this verified state. So if any user is going ahead and trying out the fix and he is sure that that patch has fixed his problem, then that bug can be moved from resolve fixed to resolve verified or resolve closed. So as a GNOME, like there are many people who are contributing, so it's like in all different time zone they are working, so there should be some way to how they want to collaborate it. So there is a home page for Bug Squad team. It's on live.gnome.org. You can get the information about Bug Squad team, the members, the triaging guidelines, and this is the mailing list for Bug Squad members. And if you want to subscribe to the GNOME Bug Squad list, this is the URL where you can find this GNOME Bug Squad. The Hashbugs channel is there, in which you can ask your queries before commenting, or if you just have any doubt or anything. The other way is to organize a bug day. It's not so frequent nowadays, but a bug day will be like if you have a bug day, then all the users, developers, and all Bug Squad members will come together 1 or 2 days. They will triage all the bugs. So it's easy. That time, like you can ask your queries, you can easily comment on the bugs. So bug day is a good way to collaborate among all the people. So yeah, GNOME 3 is a big release which is awaiting, which was supposed to release in September, but they moved to March next year. So these are the 3 points which were like by the release team they were set. So revamp our user experience. In the morning, if you attended Brian's keynote about GNOME 3, so he mentioned about GNOME Shell. So similarly, like there are many changes which are developed, which will change all the user experience or whatever the usability or whatever the functionality is there. So many users will have some trouble finding out the right solution. Streamlining of the platform means there are many libraries which are deprecating, many APIs has been added, so there will be like lots of development is going on there. So all these where Bug Squad member, all these points are there where Bug Squad members can help. So it's like user will have many queries regarding their user experience. So as a Bug Squad member, you can easily comment on that. You can guide the user what's the right thing and what the changes are there, so that he can adapt the new changes. There will be changes in libraries and the fixes, so it's good to suggest user to move to the next release so that he can get all the fixes and he can get better user experience. And by that, if you are making any user happy, it's like a promotion of GNOME, so you are promoting the GNOME. So at the last, what will be the conclusion? Conclusion is like we know now that GNOME need triagers, we need more people to do triaging, and it's easy to start in the sense like it's not like you should have any vast programming experience or you should be good in coding. You can be a user at a user level also you can start bug triaging. And as a bug triaging, anyone starts, it's like whatever product they like or whatever application they like, they start from that. So it's really easy to start. Good opportunities ahead. It's not like you are only you say you can stick to the bug triaging. You can, in the GNOME there are opportunities, you can move ahead. As I said, like GNOME Love bugs are there. If you are interested in coding, if you want to little bit, if you want to contribute little bit in the bug fixing, then you can search for GNOME Love bugs. You can fix them. I just have an example like Andre. He is still a bug triaging, but he started with bug triaging. Now he is in the GNOME release team. So in GNOME release team we have people who take the decision when release should be there, what the fixes, all the blocker bugs, categorization, everything. So GNOME release team is a powerful team. So as a bug squad member also, he was able to go there, and he is still in the bug release team. So it's not like only you will stick to bug triaging. There are fields open. You can go ahead and contribute there. So at last, special thanks for GNOME Foundation for sponsorship. And yeah, this is the credits, like all the images which I got. Any doubts, any queries, anything?
各位大家对今天阿 Ken 讲的内容有没有什么问题想要问的？ OK， 如果大家没有什么问题想问的话，我有个问题想问阿 Ken。阿 Ken, may I ask some question? If the bug was happened before the GNOME release?
Before the GNOME release?
Yeah, GNOME release on March, but this bug happened in February.
In development cycle.
Yeah.
So like we have this 6 months GNOME cycle. So it's like if you are interested in building the sources, you want to apply the patches, and you want to try out the fixes, it's always welcome to download the source code, build that, and try out the patches.
Any problem with better than release cycle?
Any problem during release cycle?
Yeah.
So it's like in the 6 months we do the major release, so that will be 228, 230 or coming up 232. But after 230 also there are 2 more dot releases. So if any developer, anyone is fixing the bug in the current code, any development cycle, that will be like, if you are considered 230 as a stable release, currently development is going in 231.x. So the fixes are there. It's a responsibility of any, I would say, distro specific any issue, then distro packager should pick that patch and should provide in the update repositories.
大家有没有什么问题想要问阿 Ken 的？
Anyone is planning to join Bug Squad team?
或者是有想要参与的吗？参与 Bug Square 的这个活动的部分。OK， 如果大家没有什么问题的话，那我们用掌声谢谢今天阿 Ken 精彩的演说，谢谢。